So I'm in the process of replacing my keycaps for my NuPhy keyboard. And I figured this would be a good time to actually kind of show what's going on here. The keyboard itself feels really nice and sounds good. Interesting enough though, there's with the custom keycaps that I have, it's actually quite a bit quieter with the custom keycaps than it is for the stock keycaps. I thought that was pretty interesting. I have two keyboards here because the first keyboard was experiencing a couple of problems right out of the package. Whenever you press it on the left side of the key, the spacebar, it had a tendency of sticking down, and that was with the stock spacebar and with the aftermarket keycaps. And then more importantly, this key right here, which I wanted to map to my delete key, which is a frequently used key for me, just wasn't registering all the time, and I thought maybe it was the switch, so then I replaced the switch with a switch from somewhere else, like the F9 key, which I never use. But if you look at it carefully, you can see it's kind of off center. It kind of tilts, and then like you can just barely touch this thing and it will just pop out, not with the key cap, but the entire switch just falls out. So there's something wrong with this board or connector or something. So anyhow, I got the replacement. So far this feels much better. The spacebar hasn't stuck at all, and I haven't found any of these other keys that kind of just are in crooked or not held in tight. This one's felt much better. Outside of the initial quality control of that first keyboard, I like this keyboard a lot. It's pretty solid, sounds nice, types really well. And then there's one other complaint I have though. Like other keyboards, you can kind of just slide them around, and this one feels pretty good and solid right now. But as soon as you put the feet up, you can't really slide it anymore. It kind of just hops around. And that's on the tall feet setting. If you set it to the short feet setting, as soon as you touch the keyboard, it just collapses on itself and goes right back down to the base level. So that's a little bit annoying. But outside of that, the keyboard's pretty nice. Hopefully it lasts. Yeah, that's all.